When we started the development of the new XDiavel V4, we wanted to broaden the set of emotion that we were offering to the fans of the feet-forward riding position, while fully maintaining the iconic and distinctive Ducati attitude. We wanted to reinforce the concept of the power cruiser, now with 168 horsepower, yet able to offer a smooth and comfortable riding experience, typical of the V4 Granturismo engine. But not only a new engine, the XDiavel V4 is a brand new motorcycle, completely renewed in all its aspects, with a strong focus on comfort and ergonomics. We believe that with the new XDiavel V4, the rider can enjoy the perfect blend between style, performance, and technology for an exciting riding experience.
True power belongs to those who rise to meet it. From the echoes of legendary performance, a bike was born. A machine that refuses to give itself to just any rider. Its contours, unmistakable, imposing, and iconic. At its core beats a V4 heart, born with 168 horsepower of pure passion. Drawing the envy of the crowd, but not defined by it. When a rider proves worthy of taking the bars, it's a throne around which the very earth seems to orbit. And as they kick clear of the city line, it's said they feel like they could ride forever. If only forever was long enough. New XDiavel V4.
When you conceive a new motorcycle, the inspiration never comes from a single idea or a single field. This is because you need to combine balanced proportion, memorable shapes, and you have to add great details such as the lighting. In the case of the new XDiavel V4, inspiration came from the automotive field, the aeronautics, cruiser field, and of course the first generation of XDiavel. We have started from the fluid yet powerful volume of a supercar. Then we have added elegant form combined with functional mechanical element such as a jet airplane engine with a fluid external shape. The most recognizable yet challenging feature to be achieved and kept is the silhouette. A silhouette created by a long and elegant tank line, a spoon-shaped seat, and a low and compact tail. Other concepts that we have kept from the first generation of XDiavel are the overall stance of the motorcycle, the sculpted tank, the sinuous subframe, the slim and low tail, the fully visible mechanical base, the exaggerated exhaust, and of course, the feet-forward riding position. We are talking about a cruiser, the size of the rear tire, 240 mm, and the deep concave shape of the rear rim. On the other hand, newly designed parts are the side upper cover, which create a tunnel of fresh air toward the rider, a more comfortable and wider seat, a cleaner and more modern handlebar area, and above all, a fully new lighting. The main target was to grab the essence of the recognizable and disruptive concept of the XDiavel and to combine it with the masterpiece of the V4 technical base. In a way, the bike can be seen as a symbiosis of contrast. An elegant, fluid, muscular upper part combined with the brutal mechanical base below. A muscular, sculpted steel tank that flows into a comfortable, wide seat. Great attention has been put in designing the new lighting system. The DRL has the typical shape of the ones on the Ducati Naked, the double C. and it gets thinner toward the top, helping in streamlining the front end of the motorcycle. The turning indicators are integrated into the bodywork, are made with the light blade technology to have a homogeneous and fluid look, enhanced by the wiping effect. The taillight is extremely thin, allowing to have a very low and compact tail. It is made with the same technology of the turning indicator, the light blade, to have a transparent, homogeneous and subtle look when off, and a wonderful bright appearance when on. Both front and tail light have a welcome animation. Both colors are special. The burning red and the black lava has been developed specifically for the new XDiavel V4. The colors' names are referred to fire to underline the raw emotion that this motorcycle awakes. The metallic flakes into the color, when hit by the light, create elegant yet fluid reflection to even more emphasize the fluidity and the elegance of the shape of this new motorcycle.